These are the 15 easiest ways to make money online 2021. In this video we will show 15 super powerful methods on how to make money online that can make you a fortune if you take action. By the end of this video, you'll probably identify your next investment or at least get the confirmation that you're making the right call. Not all of these methods are free to implement, but if you want our exclusive and free tutorials on the easiest ways to make money online, make sure to click the info point at the top right corner of this video to find these super valuable video tutorials in the playlist. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and to hit the notification to avoid missing anything in the future. If you have any questions or thoughts about the upcoming money-making methods, feel free to comment them below in the YouTube comment section.
Question 1.
Stay till the end of this video and get a super valuable bonus. This will definitely be worth it. Here are 15 real, easiest ways to make money, especially if you already have some. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Yep, that's right. Affiliate marketing is my personal favorite income source. Affiliate marketing is an advertising model in which a company pays others to advertise their products and services and generate sales. 99% of the people that do affiliate marketing fail or do not earn a living with it. But it's so powerful if you do it the right way. I've put a 100% free training together for you where I'll show you all my secrets on how I make up to $2,265 per day and how you can copy the exact system and setup. Go to the link right below this video and make it happen. Number 2. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is more than Bitcoin and Ethereum, and the entire industry is super hot right now. By far the easiest way to make money this decade is to simply buy some Bitcoin and Ethereum and literally not do anything else but hold it for the next 5 to 10 years. If you're more tech savvy and understand the space a little bit, you can even diversify your portfolio of holdings into potential DeFi, oracles or infrastructure projects. Our picks would be Cardano, Chainlink, Polkadot, and Uniswap. Stay away from Dogecoin or Shiba Inu. Number 3. Trade stocks. This is where things can fluctuate based on how much money you actually have. Have a lot. Go with an index fund and play it safe. The S&P 500 is probably your best bet to make money sustainably and long term. If you're feeling like you'd rather risk it all than play it safe, look into leverage trading. Who knows, maybe you'll get lucky going diamond hands on one of those meme stocks. Number 4. Real estate. Governments everywhere are printing a ton of money and flooding the economy with it. Prices are already climbing, and they will continue to do so for at least the next 12 to 24 months. If you've got money laying around and want a safe bet, buy property. It's the obvious hedge against inflation, and after the prices stabilize we will see the aftermath in the raise in rents, so that's going to be lifelong cash flow. Pro tip: look for apartments that used to be used as small offices. Since everyone works from home now, those are selling under the market value. Clean and up, turn them into residential apartments and you're ready to cash in. Number 5. Venture capital. Something you probably don't know is that you don't need billions of dollars to become a venture capitalist. Thanks to everything happening in the age of the internet, you can now invest in early stage companies from anywhere in the world. Our recommendations would be Angel List, Micro Ventures and Seed Blink. Or just Google venture capital crowdfunding and the name of your region. Plenty of options should come up. Basically, you and other people come in together and invest in an early stage company. In return, you own a % of that company. If in a couple of years that company becomes highly profitable or gets acquired, you make bank. Number 6, teach online. So, you've made a little bit of money. Did you know you can teach others to do exactly what you did and get paid for it? Use some of the money to buy yourself equipment and offer a consultancy service. Costs are pretty minimal, you're able to do it from a laptop and basically from anywhere in the world. Online courses are great, and we know something about online courses, but teaching live is a way more engaging type of approach and your clients will get more value out of it. Number 7, buy low, sell high. The more we think about it, the more we realize that every business out there is in the buy low, sell high business. Everyone is looking to arbitrage between cost of purchase and cost of sale. Find anything that you can flip for a higher amount. We recently became aware of how big the resale gap is for old furniture. People go on Craigslist or flea markets, buy old furniture, give it a fresh look and resell it for profits. Someone we know made over $100,000 just by doing this on the side last year. Number 8, Uber, the smart way. Now that we're no longer stuck inside, Uber is booming as a business, but before you brush us off as you did with the articles you read before ending up here, take a moment and hear us out. What small investors do is that they buy cars and have people act as drivers. Drivers get a paid wage plus a percentage of the earnings and the investor keeps the rest. You can buy 5 cars and get 5 people to drive for Uber for you. Because you're not investing a lot of money to begin with, the operation can be scaled. Until you can afford to buy real estate or a bunch of crypto like real investors. Number 9, monetize your online presence. If you've got a little bit of money, you either know something others don't or at least decent when it comes to sales. Social media is the marketplace of today. So go out there and sell. Build a community, engage with your followers and see how other people in your industry are cashing in on that exposure. Instead of making other people rich by plugging their products, develop your own and keep all the profit for yourself. Number 10, acquire production equipment and raw materials. We love robots and machines that can create value for you. Example: a professional camera is a couple $1,000, but if you're good at using it, you can earn back the money with it in a few weeks. By far our favorite ones are vending machines. You simply buy them, restock them once a day and collect your cash. If you really wanted to, you could have one installed in front of your building before the end of the week. It might not make you millions, but it's passive income and easily scalable. Number 11, peer-to-peer lending. This is where you lend people your money, and they pay it back with interest. Although it sounds very loan sharky when you say it out loud. There are plenty of options where you can do this legally and online. Just Google peer-to-peer lending on Google and we're sure you're going to find several options that work. Make sure to look into the project that you are funding and assess them based on the level of risk you are willing to take. Number 12, rent on Airbnb. When my friend got started with real estate, this is the first thing that we did. We purchased 2 apartments in the city center, fully furnished them with a few of our interior designer friends and had them listed on Airbnb. This initial test run has proven the concept, and if last year tourism was dead, it's begun picking up some steam. Pro tip: putting a pull-out couch in the living room increases the number of people who are able to book a place. It isn't an elegant solution, but it will dramatically increase the number of views and guests you get. Number 13, become a silent partner in a business. Yes, this is similar to venture capital, but if that was done with an investment fund-like approach where you probably split your investment across several companies just to hedge your bets, this one is a little different. We recommend talking to your super talented and hardworking friends. Often, they are looking to expand their business and always in need of capital. Become an investor and help them expand. By being a silent partner, they have their say in the business and where the business is going. We recommend becoming a silent partner because you can easily break friendships apart if things go south. Instead, offer advice when needed and see if you can open more doors for them. Number 14, growing food. Yep, you heard us, we're recommending farming to you. This is that new age cool type. You can now buy shipping containers retrofitted to become hydroponic farms, where you basically grow greenery such as lettuce, basil, parsley, bok choy and so on. The cost of electricity is pretty low and fresh greens are being sold at a premium in your local supermarket. A single shipping container can net you over $80,000 per year. Freight farms are the most well-known of the bunch, but there are many companies in this space with different levels of tech associated with their containers. Look into it, we find it fascinating. Number 15, do more of what got you your money in the first place. Statistically speaking, this is probably the highest return you're going to get for your buck. You already know what you're doing, so use the money and reinvest it in your business or whatever you're doing to bring in the cash. Once you have enough, you can look at all of these and see which fit you better. Your goal is to increase your income to the point where you can confidently create new sources of income independent of your activity. So, here's an interesting question we want to ask you: if you had $50,000 right now, what would you invest it in? Show off your investment skills in the comments. As for those of you sticking around, here's your well-deserved bonus. It doesn't matter how much money you have, anyone can invest. Here's a golden nugget: if you've got less than $5,000 saved up, that's not outside investment money. Invest it in your education. You were smart enough to get to 5K, you are smart enough to get to it again. Here's the hierarchy. $0, $5,000, if you don't have money, invest in yourself, buy books. Learn as much as you can, try to put together the fundamentals of a business. $5,000, $50,000, invest in your business. This is where you try to find that initial traction. Super important, do not get distracted by shiny opportunities.
Bart! With $10,000 we'd be millionaires! We could buy all kinds of useful things like love!
You know your business well. Reinvest everything until your business is doing at least $100,000 in profit per year. This phase should take between 2 and 5 years depending on your ability. $100,000, $500,000, this is where you jump into real estate. Use down payments. Purchase multiple properties, rent them out and let the rent pay for them. $100,000 plus. When you're finally earning in excess of $1 million per year and you already have enough real estate to make sure you'll never be poor, that's when you begin to take higher risk with your excess capital. Your goal is to generate as many sources of income as you can. But in order to get to that point, you have to first master your first one. If you're really going to do this, do it right. We can't wait to hear from those of you who get to that 1 million plus phase. If that's your medium-term goal, please write 1 million plus in the comments. If you want to explore more valuable and free tutorials on the easiest ways to make money online, make sure to click the info point at the top right corner of this video to find these videos. You'll absolutely love what you'll see. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and to hit the notification to avoid missing anything. Don't forget to comment your thoughts and to like this video. See you in the next video.